Let's take a look at how to change the track light bulbs on a very high up track light. These are GU10 bulbs. You can see I've got a bunch of these burned out. It's 2 amps of reach. We're going to use this little Stauber bulb changer. This is a really cool little suction cup based device. And we can attach it to the end of a utility pole. It screws on. We can use this little wing nut to tighten it. You can use any standard utility pole. You can even use like the end of a broomstick if you don't have one. And then there's just this little kind of string thing that attaches to it. And that's what we're going to use to release the bulb later. But for now, we're going to just carefully raise this up, make sure no one's standing under the bulb, obviously. Press the suction cup against the bulb, and we're going to turn it counterclockwise until the bulb comes out. Just very carefully lower that down, again, making sure it doesn't fall. Take that old bulb off. Now we're going to take our new bulb, press it onto that suction cup so that it's nice and solid. And you want to be on there, give it a little pull, make sure it's good. We're going to just raise that up. Okay, pop it in the socket like that, turn it about a quarter turn clockwise, and then we're going to pull on that little string, that little blue string. It's going to release that suction cup, and we can just lower it back down again. And that's the basic process. It makes it super easy. And I did that with all 4 of my bulbs that were burned out up there. You can see now my track light has nice new bulbs in it, and it works up to some very high ceilings.